My name's Kerry and I am a retired teacher of about 10 years and just added solar to my house. Well, the biggest motivation I think is my wife is a very ecologically oriented person, and so is my daughter. But of course now with our children all grown and our income a little more stable, we thought this was the time to go ahead. Plus we've made a commitment to move to green vehicles, and we thought if we could power those vehicles from the sun, then it would be a win-win in both avenues of our life. So now we're looking at just replacing our electrical bill and having that pay off the panels long term. And I came across solar. Their presentation, their online marketing caught my eye, and they were very quick to respond and very, very helpful in getting us started. So just right there, it just seemed like a company that wanted to be engaged. Every time something arrived, things happened right away. And so from that point, the company was very efficient. We are producing more than double our average daily consumption for the year. We watch the app daily, and we refer to sunny days as money days. And we know that we're producing more than we're using on average. So the goal of banking enough to get us through the low sunlight months is really what we're looking for here. Right now, in 3 weeks, we have produced 20% more electricity than we have used for the entire month. That we head into the winter with a large surplus, a large credit on the bill. We would be banking in the summer to spend in the winter. Right now, we're satisfied with it, thrilled with it. We're very fortunate that we have pretty much a true south-facing roof, but also a way for us to maybe make a difference in CO2 emissions. For our entire married life, my wife has been very energy conscious. Why is that light on? That kind of thing, which is very normal and true. But now I'm embracing it because I'm starting to see the in and out concept here. It's like a competition for me. I need to produce more than I use. That's my big goal. And it's making it sort of a little bit of a side entertainment. You need to do a green home energy audit. We'll be eligible for the government grant. Customer service has been great. Every time I've emailed him, I've got something back within hours. I know that there are subcontractors in every project, and they were able to communicate with those subcontractors any of my concerns or needs really quickly, and they were back on site to take care of any issues right away. Long term, it increases the value of the home, that a buyer will come in and say, well, if I purchase this house, I won't have an electrical bill again, potentially putting more back to the grid than I'm using. And if it ends up that my savings account grows in that way, when we go on holidays, we're now thinking, well, if we unplug a lot of stuff, which we probably should have done anyways, but if we do it now, then we gain even more credits.